Hi guys, how are you? Osama Ghazal with you. In this video, we will show you how to work on a registry, on Windows Registry. How can we read a values from this registry? How can we store or save a value inside this registry? Why we want to use the registry like this? If we make programs, we need sometimes to save parameters or default values or settings values in somewhere. This somewhere is the registry. Sometimes it will be a registry. It is the easiest way, and it's a good idea. First, how can we work with registry? If I want to save my company name and the year of establishment and is this a trade company or not in the registry, how can we do this? Let's begin. If we want to make a read a save to registry, we first will do like this. First, before anything, we should add a registry library to the users here. Okay, then here in var we will define a reg. Its type is t registry, and we will create it. First, reg equal t registry dot create. Okay, then we should define the root key reg dot root key is. What is the root key? The standard way to save is in h key current user. If you want to save it in local machine, you can, if you have a permissions to access the registry for the local machine. If you want to save it on the users, you should have the same permissions and also the current config. Always you have a permission on your user, on your own users, on the current user, because this is you. This user is you. Okay. So we will select this. How can we open the registry from Windows? We will go to Start and type reg, edit. Okay, we can open it now. This is the registry. This is the current users, the current user, and this is the classes root, local machine. This machine on all the machine, not for one user. This is for the current user that you open the Windows with it, with this user. Okay, we want to store here software. On software, if you see this, every software, every company store its parameters inside this registry. This is MySQL, this is ODBC, this is Embarcadero, and you have all the permissions. We want to make a new key. Look at here, MySQL, MySQL ADB, and Netscape. You don't have my company. I want to create a new key. Its name is my company info. Okay. Now here we will say like this. F reg dot open key. We will open the practice. What is the key? The key is, first we will put the root. We put the current users. We will put the root now, software, then my company info. Here single quotation. Okay, this is the key. Software, here, this is the software. And we will create a new key inside it. We'll name my company info. Then we will put here the parameter can create it boolean. Here, if we try to open the key and it does not exist. If we put true, he will create it if it does not exist. If we put a false, he will not create it. Let us try first. This is false. Then begin, end. Before this, we will give it a try. Finally, we will make this registry.free. Here. We will store registry dot write. What kind of data we will write? We want to write first the string value. What is the name of the key that we want to create it? Company name. Okay. Comma. What is the value? The value is edit company name dot text. Which one? This name is edit company name dot text, and this is edit establishment est year, and this is check chk is trade company. Okay, we want to store these values. Then we will give registry dot write integer. What's the name of the key? The name is year of est. Okay, and what is the value? The value is string to integer for edit year dot text. We want to convert it to integer. Here is comma. Okay, then reg dot write boolean value. The key is trade company, comma chk trade company dot checked. Okay, now we write the three keys. After the writing of the three keys, we must close this key. So we will give it reg dot close key. Finally, we should free this registry. Okay, now else if the key is opened, do these lines. If it is not opened, show message the key, this key does not exist, and here give me a message saved. Okay, let us try. Did we forget anything? I think no. Run. Now this is the value that we want to save it in the company name, and here on the year of establishment, and here is the trade company. Save. This key does not exist. Why? Because we didn't put here to create it. This key is can create it. So if it does not exist, we want to create it. Okay? True. Run and save. It gives us saved. How can we check this? We will go to the registry on the key, the software. We will refresh it. It's appear now. My company info and the keys, company name. This is the company name and is trade company 0 or 1 and year of establishment 2004. So it's done. If we put this through, save to registry, saved. So we will refresh this. Now it is 1, 0, 1, 0 false and 1 is true. Okay. Now if we want to read from this registry, we will do the following. Read from registry. We will program it. We will copy these. Okay. To here. And we will add here if key exists. We can do this and we can don't do this. We can only open the key and here we can check if it exists or not. Why we should check if it is exist or not? Here we will check the key, but we don't want to create it. So here we will put it at false. So if the key is not exist, okay, we don't want to create one. Only we want to read the values if it is exist. So now we will put here edit company name dot text equal reg dot read string. This is a string type. What is the name of the key? The name is company name. This one. Copy and paste here. Okay. We read the first value. Then the third, the second and the third. What is the key? This is year of establishment and this is copy and paste dot checked. And here we want to read the integer value. For which value? This value. Okay. And here we will read the Boolean value for this key. Okay. Now here we must convert the integer to a string because it is a text, an edit the text value here. Okay. And also here reg dot free. So, and we should here close the key. Reg dot close the key. And don't want to show a message. But here else we will show this message that the key does not exist. Okay. So first step is to create the registry. Second, to define the root key. Then we will check if the key exists. Then if it is exist, we will open it and we will read the string or the integer or the boolean, and we will close the key. After all of them, we must free the registry. Now we will check. Okay, if we clear the fields and click here, okay, it's done. This is the name, this is the year, and this is the trade company. Clear it again and read it again. It's Done. Okay, now how can we read the keys inside the registry? If you want to read these values, how can we do it? Okay, here read from registry. Read the values from the registry. What we want to do? The same, we will copy this lines. No, we will copy these lines. Okay, copy, and we will double click here and we will copy these lines here. Okay, now we want to define key values. Its type is string list. Okay, key values, and here we will give it like this. We will create the key values equal string list dot create, and then we will reg dot get value names. We will put it inside the key values. Okay, and now for we will define another variable here, key name or value name. Okay, it is a string. For name in key values, what we want to do, list box1 dot items dot add the name, the value name. Value name here, value name here, value name here. Okay, last we will free the key values dot free, and here reg dot free. Okay, what else? And here also we will copy this message and put it here. Let's do it. Run. Read values from registry. Okay, good. Company name and year of EST and is a trade company. These values, it's perfect. Okay, if you want to read another values, this name is values. If you want to read keys, not values, we can do like this. We will copy these to here. Okay, and here we will remove this click and we will name read keys. From registry, and this box, its name is list box 2. So now we will copy the same. We will copy all of these. Okay, and we will paste it here, paste them here, and here we will give it, if key exists, software. We want to read all the keys inside the software. So if it exists, open the key, then create the list, then get not values, get key names, and store it in the value. Okay, and put them on the list box too. Finally, we want to run. Read keys from registry. Perfect. He reads all the keys inside the software. Where is the registry? Reg edit. From here, Android open source, we can compare them. App data law, Arqam, Borland, Bugsplat, all of them. This is all the keys inside the software. Okay? If you like this video, don't forget to press like and share, and please don't forget to subscribe with our channel. Thank you very much and goodbye.